In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can install WordPress themes automatically. Themes are what WordPress call the template for your WordPress blog. So it's the general appearance of the site is governed by the theme. To add a new theme to your WordPress blog, come over here to where it says Appearance, and it opens up here on Themes. And you've got two tabs here, Manage Themes and Install Themes, and you can see the current theme displayed here. So click on the Install Themes tab, and you can either search the themes that are on the wordpress.org site, upload them from your hard drive, and so on. What I'm going to do here is actually search for one on the WordPress site, and it'll automatically link to it. Let's say I want one that's green. I can filter them out by colors if I want as well, but I'll just this way so you can see the types of themes that you get. So click on search, and you can see here we have a wide variety of different themes. Whole lot there. Okay, the one that I'm going to install is this one here, Greener Side. So I can preview it by clicking here, and you can see it opens up this little pop-up window to give me an idea as to what the theme will look like. I'll just close that. I'll go ahead and install it. So just click here on the install link, and then click Install Now. And there we go, that's all installed. I just need to click here to activate it. There we go, and then if I go back to the themes, there we are. We've got here, it's all set now as the current theme. So if I go ahead and preview it, what I can do, I'll just open a new tab and go to the main page. And there we go. You can see here we've got the new theme installed, and all it takes is a couple of mouse clicks to get it all installed.